It's now the following day. As you can tell, I'm gonna show you the snow, man, just so you can see just how much melting we had over the last day. Look at this thing. Yeah, it just looked like a rock with a stick in it at this point. Anyways, we got the tires here, so I should be able to use that 1/2-inch Ryobi gun to get these wheels off super easy. Let's go ahead and get started. Let me grab my jack. But first, the wheels we rocking with on her car, we got the Blizzak WS90s, size 215, 55, 16s. These are directional, so you're gonna wanna make sure you get these on the right size. True, her car need a wash too. Don't forget the wheel chocks. Much easier. Now it actually came with lug nuts for the car. So if you look at these are the ones that it came with. So these have a conical shape to them. This is the style that came on the vehicle. You can see it's a little bit of a ball shape. Just want to make sure you guys can see that difference there. It's very important to make sure you have the right lug nuts for your car. This is what came on the car. This is what came with the snow tires. All right, so the spec I found out there is 80 foot-pounds for the Civic. Let's go around and torque these down. And just like that, that's the finished product of the Civic. Looks so good. I'm about to go in there in a second. I'm about to have the kids and my wife come out so we can see their reaction to what it looks like with the steel wheels. It definitely looks different, but these wheels just make it look so meaty. Oh, I can't wait. I know it's gonna operate like a beast because the other tires weren't even that bad when it was snow out. I know these are gonna be even better. All right, and then so far for the old lug nuts, what I actually did was I took the bag that the lug nuts came in for the new ones and put them in here. I named it 23 Civic lug nuts. So that way next year, when I go to put the other wheels back on, I got the lug nuts. I already know what they are. They're labeled, good to go. That's a little tip for you guys. All right, let's get the reaction. All right, we got the kids out here. They showed up. Tell me what y'all think. Step back, take a look at it. If you ain't know, it's my daughter's son. You already know, Shawty.
And soup.
And soup.
Oh.
Soup's always in the cut.
I like this look.
You like it? The black on black?
Yeah, it's so good.
Why does it look beefy?
It's because those tires are taller and they're thinner though. They're thinner from like a width perspective. And so they're thinner so you can cut through snow a little bit better. But they're beefy because it's chunky, it's taller. It's a smaller size rim. So it goes to make it the same size, you make a taller tire. You like the way it looks?
I really like this look.
You like the way it looks?
It looks tough.
It looks really good. It looks like don't mess with me.
These are wash more than anything. Mine too.
Yeah,
look at us now. Shush. All right, gang. So the kid's gonna do the outro. Let's go ahead and hit it. Go ahead.
Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit those notifications. Peace.
Peace.
Okay, what's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. feeling on, can't just get enough. I know